Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about package use Scramble to Flutter. Now we connect this package, open pubspec YAML, add package. Then we open lib main.dart and update this file. Add constructor, then we add parameter debug show checked mode banner false, then we remove them and we add widget scaffold, add background color right colors dot black, then we add parameter body, add widget center, child, add widget text Scramble, write text Scramble, write art programs, then we add speed, duration, add milliseconds, 50, then we add chars, add information, then we add parameter correct chart probability, write 0.1, then we add Scramble cycles, write 4, add text aligned, write text aligned dot center, write style, add text style, add font size 3t, write color, write colors dot green, then add font family, JetBrains Mono, save, hot restart and open emulator. Change speed, write 70, and 100, save, and now we update text, write art programs is the best programming channel. Save. Change rotation and select hot restart. Art programs is the best programming channel. This is all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes and see you in the next lesson. Bye!